Hello learners. Welcome to this free Microsoft Excel course, so without any further ado let's begin. Hey everyone! Today we are going to learn how to use some function in Excel. We have this sales report with region, order ID, product's name and their sales figure in market. We can find sales by using two different methods. By selecting the numbers to add up or selecting the range. Let's begin with method 1 with adding up the data available. We will use equal to write sum then bracket open and now we'll select the numbers to be added. If I add new sales figure in empty cells, we can see it's not getting added up in our total sales. As you can see, the result is different. But if I make changes in any other cell which is in my range of formula, the total sales figure will also get change on real-time basis. Now this is where our second method comes in. Again we will use some function with equal to write sum and then a bracket open, but this time we will select the range of my report from where data should be picked. There comes our total sales value. Now if I make any changes in this range, my sales figure will be auto changes according to the data. Thank you for watching and hit that subscribe button to stay updated.